Alright, so it is Movember the 25th. We're in the home stretch, as a lot of people have been saying. That means still time for donations. So check out our page. Oops, I keep doing that. Go to our site and donate to the Movemberists, which in turn is a donation for Prostate Cancer Canada. So I mentioned earlier, maybe a week ago, maybe I don't even remember when, to be honest with you, that I was going to give shaving with a straight razor a try. Couldn't find one, which shouldn't be a surprise to some of you out there, but actually found it a little bit surprising because I've seen these things all over eBay and I thought I'd be able to even find one locally. I know I've seen like a disposable brand, and one of the sites I visited suggested that certain pharmacies and cosmetics shops carry this, not really disposable, but this sort of one that's not really super high quality, but that will at least give you a feel for a straight razor shave. Bottom line is I couldn't find one. So I'm doing the next best thing, which is to use a old-fashioned safety razor. So here's what's going on for the next few minutes. I'm going to take the hot towel treatment. So I'm going to, this is boiling hot water right now. I got to cool it down a little bit, I think. Actually no, it's cooled down a little bit. So it's good now. Give myself some hot towel treatment and then use one of these suckers. So that's isopropanol, by the way, not water. You've seen these before. This is what your grandpa shaved with, and in my case, this is what my dad shaved with sometimes as well. Although I think he's moved on to a Schick Quattro or something like that. Anyway, we're going to give this a try, and it's probably going to hurt my face a lot. I don't have a, what's it called, styptic crayon? I don't have one of those things. So that's going to cause a lot of bleeding as well. But yeah, we're going to give it a go anyway. So we're going to, you know, do the typical clean up around here thing. And then either today or tomorrow, I'm going to see if I want to keep the rest of the month as a horseshoe mustache period of time, or whether I want to modify the mustache a bit. I'm leaning towards modifying. So after the fade out, you'll see the smooth look for Movember 25th. Alright, so here we go. Couple things first. I don't normally wear a t-shirt when I'm shaving, but nobody needs to see my naked, hairy torso. So that's the first thing. Second thing...
Even if it's super buff now.
Yeah. Second thing is that you should ideally be using like a soap, a puck of soap. I can't remember the exact term for it, but you've seen these things. It's like a shaved bowl and a badger hair brush. That's like the full treatment. But was I prepared for that? No. Could have just gone out and got some cheap one for the purpose of demonstration, but no. So I'm going to use good old canned shaving cream. And I guess the third thing, so maybe there's three things rather than two, but the hot towel, I didn't do it right. I didn't look up how to do it. I just figured hot towel, make a towel hot, put it on your face. I don't think my beard's quite prepped for this, but we'll make do. And yes, I will time-lapse this video. At least it's a good brand of shaving cream in a can. Aveeno Skin Relief Shave Gel. Aveeno, want to make a donation to Movember? Alright, here goes nothing. The idea is to take it off in many passes. If you try and do it in one pass, like a Mach 3, you're gonna cut yourself up for sure. Let's see if I can follow that rule. I'm not very patient sometimes. Alright, so far so good. Can't even feel anything. That was just my cheek though. Wait till I get into the tougher beard. Jeez, looks pretty good actually. But this is going to be a lot rougher feeling than that. I was following the directions from The Art of Manliness. They have an article on how to shave like your grandpa. And they said use a light touch, go slow, which is what I'm doing, and I feel no pain, dudes. So far so good. nary a cut yet. I mean, I wasn't expecting to get totally hacked up. They call it a safety razor for a reason. And when these first came out, this was cutting edge technology designed for you to not hack your face up, so I really shouldn't have been so worried about it. Alright, well that's pass number 1. Gotta go back for pass number 2, I guess. The old facial contortion method of skin stretching. One little nick so far. Alright, I think that does it. I'll clean up here and I'll show you the finished results. Alright, so there you have it. That wasn't really any more difficult or painful than shaving with these expensive, like $3 or $4 per blade mass marketed things out there. Thought it would hurt a little bit more. It didn't hurt any more. I might be tempted to go against the grain despite some people's warning to get an even smoother shave, but this is perfectly acceptable. And yeah, I might switch to this permanently. Still interested in trying the straight razor thing, Movember or no, so that could be coming up as well, but you won't see the video post of it unless I put it on my blog. Yeah, have a look. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. So yeah, as I said earlier, donate, there's still time. Even after Movember is over, of course. Prostate Cancer Canada accepting donations year-round. So, talk to you soon. I'm back because I forgot something. On David Hicks's page, he said something about having to trim his mustache because it was getting unruly. A, that man cannot grow an unruly mustache. So I'm suspecting a bit of hyperbole there. And B, I guess that's A, and that's B. B, you want to talk about unruly? This is unruly. I got these hairs dangling in my mouth right now. Tempted to chew them off. Sometimes I do, in fact, chew them off. But you don't see me trimming it all up. No, man. No, man. It's all about the luxury. It's all about the beauty of the long mustache. So, Mr. Unruly David Hicks, I don't buy it. I don't buy it at all. And you still have a goatee. Bye.